What's up, YouTube? It's Ryan again, back with the MXG and AOMC YouTube channels, and I wanted to jump back on here today and answer a few questions about GasGas. Been getting a lot of questions on TikTok and on the comment section on YouTube. What is GasGas doing for 2022? What are they doing for 2023? So we're going to get into that just a little bit. I'll make this video really brief. So the GasGas is dropped in 2021 originally, guys, and they're a value KTM, and they've been beating the KTMs in a lot of the shootouts, mostly because of the cast triple clamps, and it's mostly rider preference. But for 2022, the GasGas models were exactly the same as 2021, except we saw a few new models. There was the MC350F, the MC250 two-stroke. There was a few models for 2022 that we didn't get in 2021. So as far as what's going to happen now with GasGas, we've been hearing rumors for a few months now that the GasGas wasn't getting the new platform, which we did confirm. The 2023 GasGas, which will come out in June, probably be announced in May, but bikes will start hitting the dealer sales floors in June. That will be the same current generation of GasGas. Now we're hearing rumors that the GasGas might stay the same for 2 more years. So your 2024 GasGas might be the same as a 2021 GasGas, which is essentially the same as a 2019 KTM. So we're not sure that could be the case. Now, we've also heard that there is probably going to be a special edition GasGas announced in the next couple months. It's going to be either a factory edition or a Barsha edition or a TLD edition. Now, the bad news we've heard about that is it's probably going to be just graphics, which is kind of a bummer. I mean, it's cooler. It's better than nothing, but I would have really liked, an exhaust and a clutch cover, and that kind of stuff would have been cool. Also, for whatever reason, it doesn't seem like there's going to be a GasGas Special Edition 250, just the 450. So keep that in mind. Now, one more other interesting thing I thought was Jorge Prado is going to be running a GasGas in MXGPs next year, but he's going to be running a new generation bike. So it'll be the KTM, the Husky, but with GasGas plastics. So I'm not sure. I mean, obviously they can find a way to make them fit, but it's just going to be interesting because nobody I've talked to can remember a time when a pro racer raced a bike you can't buy. And I mean, obviously you can't buy the bikes because of the trick parts and production rules and stuff, but this will be a bike that will have some kind of different plastics or something that will look all different, and you cannot even buy a bike off the showroom floor that looks like that. So Prado gets to cheat the system a little bit because the rules are different in Europe. He will be riding the new bike, but it'll look like the old bike more than likely. Where Barsha over here will probably, he'll be on the older platform. And I don't think it's a disadvantage because the 19 to 22 platform is an awesome bike, but just something interesting to think about. I firmly believe that GasGas is the best value in motocross right now, guys. You are getting all of the upside of having a KTM or Husky, and none of the just kind of trimming some of the extras you don't need, like those cast clamps and like the black wheels and the map switch that only gives you a slower map. And most guys don't need that stuff, especially at the amateur level. So you can save $1,000 and the GasGas looks sweet. I'm a fan, and for now the GasGas frames are red, but if they ever make those frames black or gray, I think you'll be seeing a lot of guys buy GasGases to save money and then throw KTM plastics or something on them. Be interesting to think about. But all right, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you on that note. Just wanted to drop by and answer those questions when I hear When I hear any more definitive information, obviously it's going to drop here first. So hit the subscribe button. If you want to go a step further and be able to throw questions at me, talk about moto, whatever, then hit the blue join button and we can connect. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next one.